Back when I lived in Dubai, I bought me a DJI Mavic Air. One day, maybe a month after I had it, I was still learning how to fly it. Took it out into the desert near Maliha, as you can see here. Made two mistakes. One, it was very bright out in the desert, and I could barely see my screen on the controller. And also very windy. Went flying, went headed up toward the mountain. I wanted to see what it looked like up close, up high. And when we got up there, I moved off to the right a little bit, and then I kind of moved back to the left a tiny bit. And the next thing I knew, the wind had caught it, and I think there was like some swirling winds around the mountain, which I didn't account for when I got up close, and it drug it right into the mountain. And you'll see at the end, you can watch the camera as it tumbles down the side of the mountain. It took us about maybe 2 hours to find it, climbing up the sides of the hill that surrounded the mountain, and it was about 100 degrees. We eventually did find it, and it was pretty shattered. Lesson learned. Since then, I've logged quite a bit of time flying my DJI Mavic Air 2S, and I have had no further problems, but wanted to share this kind of a flashback. Is depressing. My wife bought the drone for me as a gift, and a month later I crashed it, so it was a bad day. We were very sad, as we all are when we crash our drone, I guess, right? Bye-bye.